Hello and welcome to Stone Ideas, a beautiful showroom where you can encounter some fantastic designs of natural stones. Stone Ideas was established with the creativity in mind, and from last 20 years we are serving customers something which they have never experienced. They say a wall can hear you, so let them speak for themselves too. Now, without any further ado, let's have a look to the exclusive stone articles by Stone Ideas and adorn the aesthetics of your home like never before. Natural stone wall cladding tiles, rock and soft finished wall cladding, stone engraving, stone wall art, elevation stones, stone winner, stone wash basin. We have the expertise in creating and manufacturing the products that are specifically designed as per the needs of architects and customers with an assurance of premium quality and beautiful finish at a reasonable price, as our first priority is customer satisfaction. So, what are you waiting for? Transform your dream into reality and let your home speak your style. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in our next video.